So I was shifting my office recently. And while shifting the office, I came across so many notes and so many manuals that I've, done for my own self education. And then I came across one printout, one draft. It was about a book, of course, which never got published. This book was regarding student success. And I had written a poem there about students' life. And I would love to share that poem with you today. And the theme is that we all believe that student life is the best part of our lives. But you ask a student, they won't agree to it. And when you were also a student, you also never agreed to it. So the theme of the poem is only this, that just because we don't like our present lives, that is why we consider student life as the best part of the life. But it wasn't the reality even then. All right. So let me recite it for you. So, student's life. Student life, often coined as the best part of the life, but termed as one only when life turns into a hive and it feels like you're always under the knife. One fine day, parents took their child to school, and that child became a student, and school looked so cool. But it wasn't late, he realized he was just being fooled. Student's life is the biggest quest without an inch of rest, continuous burden of homework, and results nothing but best. Because before one assignment is over, there is another test. Students' day is filled with only expectations and instructions. No one is bothered about his internal world's destruction. No one gave him tools to fight with anxieties, low confidence, and distractions. A student has heard every animal name associated with him and then asked why your self esteem is so dim. Be fearless, speak confidently, and be neighbor child's personality twin. When the real world and the challenges would hit this student hard, and there is literally no one to guard other than his own mind and thoughts, but he will play the victim card. Student life is recalled when it is difficult to find solutions and you're looking for every possible intuitions and you find your solace in saying student life has no substitution. Thank you.